Hey guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's take a look at the market. I'll show you my sorrow of the day. Yeah, RTX just goes. That wasn't a level really. Yeah, one bar rule in action. That will be solid from 0.5. Oh, look how it moves farther, but I think the correction is due soon. Even more so, maybe like this. SPY recovers. AFK system is consolidating. Why do I not? Oh, right, because it's monthly level. Alrosa goes like there is no tomorrow. Intel and LMK. NVS. O. Sagro. Plug. Fuzzy. Roku. Самолет. Well, technically this is a, considering on how you identify this bar. Look at this, boom, boom. Tune. Interesting. I'm not gonna touch it. Tegeka, XLV. The Novabev. It's gonna close on a break in 5 days. However, I don't know. J&J. Dugai. It's actually good in continuation of the trend, right? Uh-oh. But I have everything gap reset here. You would need, for like a quick trade, it's good like this. But for a longer trade, that need a full correction of the entire impulse. This big guy. Dancing in the moonlight, everybody. That's my favorite lately. It's New Year time, like retro time. What a good song it was. Dancing in the moonlight, everybody. Pfizer, you guys. Just trying to find my entry. Missed like everything. This is my resort, this 0.5. Missed it here, unvolumed. That should have been my entry. Look at this guy. I chickened out, I took to R. I would have been in profit here and here today. Gosh, I'm gonna cry. Where did I enter this? I think I entered here. It doesn't matter the R's, it's actually what matters is So I would have taken like 14% today on half of my position, actually, because it was like quarter at 2R, then quarter at 0.5, which probably would have triggered today, and quarter and day level, and then half of the month's level. Okay, I did my 2R at least, a little something. And my decision, I didn't chicken out, just because I revised based on the annual levels. And I think they do matter. And there was this weird volume here, so might have gone here, probably. I only have margin available, and it's like end of the week, end of the year, end of the month, end of the year. So I don't think, only if I find something that's impossible to refuse, then I'll have to step into margin, which of course I should be very careful about. But other than that, I'm just idling, monitoring. And I think I'll use this time to, I should use this time to revise my year and work through the trades that I've done this year. Yeah, I don't think it's a good candidate for anything, actually. Everybody. Yeah. New levels. So yeah, that's the trades I want to take. October, end of October, yeah, end of December, November, December, 2 months, and spend this time in meditation retreats or doing my thing, doing anything but trading. So I want to expand my horizon to this like longer trades. But also 14% in 2 months. Not that great of an achievement. And also keep in mind that's in 2 months of risk, where when you are in position, it's a risk. When you are in the money, you receive 4.5 on settled cash annual, and risks are minimal. Only the risk that your broker collapses and the government fails to, your insurance fails to pay out the balance. That's the only risk you have, pretty much. Sorry. I saw ads offering 9% annual interest rates on deposits. Oh, like, interesting. Look, strong, like a buyer. This is strong. This is strong. Correction, and correction is over. Yeah, and volume distribution is strong here. think it's good to go. And it's not gonna close in the balance. 1, 2, 1, 2. In 5 days, if it closes above. Interesting. Strength. Dancing in the moonlight. All this is selling like hedonism, you know, just like dancing in the moonlight. Don't worry about anything, just like dancing in the moonlight. Everybody. It can be detrimental concept, I think, but if you don't like, if you're reasonable about it, it's fun. Okay. And it's gonna close in a break, and it's not a break. Still will need a reaction bar. You know what? And this is a balance. Real estate. You don't need this 0.5. Even though incoming direction is long, it's, and this guy, yeah, I'd be skeptical. XLU. Up. Yeah, so finding trades like Toyota Motor. My other one this year was this guy, HSBC and Air Product, APD. Like longer trade, just like, look at this. Yeah, CVS. Dun. Well, it's at the annual level. Would need probably conservative entry. You want to join the party as close as possible to the support level. However, if the volume distribution of the wave does not show exhaustion, or like climatic event, you better wait for a conservative trade, a conservative setup. Looks like it's gonna close in correction in 5 days. That would be beautiful if it comes and springs this level. The weird part though is that this volume on correction is the biggest volume of the entire impulse of the entire wave. Why on earth? Should be correction, should come here, activate stop losses and go up, like tune, anything but not the biggest volume. That's interesting too. That's already like, looks like an exhaustion again, comes here, activates this support level and good to go. Well, also, again, it's not that biggest, but it's big. It's one of the biggest. Something to consider. Something to consider. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let you go. Let myself go. Let my people go. Where did that come from?